Could I go back and forth and just do it and not show you my results and all that? Yeah, I could, but I want you to see exactly what I did. So I took that out. I had a couple extra long screws, and then I took the white screw, put it down there, and tightened it up. And this one's just spinning. That one's just as long as this, if not longer. That one's not doing anything right now, but once I drill it up at an angle and then put it back in, it'll work. But as for right now, the only screw that's holding this tight, see, this has to hold it tight, pushed up against the back side of those screws that I've been adjusting. Okay, so now we're gonna look at it. Okay, good grief. See, I'm glad I didn't do anything yet, because I think I want to move it up. I think I want to move it up even a little bit higher, which means I still, can you believe that? I still have to move that up. All right, I'll do it. Am I doing this for your benefit or mine? Okay, let's do it again. I'm thinking this time it's going to be fine. I said I'm thinking. And here's the thing too. When I've got the bottom screwed in, I could tighten those screws again. I might have to do that. I raised that up, but when I put the long screw in there, it's also going to push more pressure on the top of this hinge too, because right now I only have it tightened up on the bottom. Okay, when I put this one in at a slight angle, let's say, it's going to make that tighter. It's going to make this tighter. Does that make, you see what I'm saying? Because I don't have it in there right now. But when I put that one in, it seems like it's pushing that up. But I'm gonna tighten those screws even a little bit further than they were before initially. Okay. Are you getting frustrated? I'm getting frustrated too, but I'm not going to quit until this is right. And sometimes that's what you have to do on a project. I'm an average Joe, just like everybody else. But if I can do it, you can do it. Okay. And I've got those screws pushed in there as tight as I can, and it still looks like, you know, when I put this one in and tighten it up, I think I'm going to try that next. Put this one up at a slight angle away from that hole, okay, so that it can suck up in there, and I think that'll do it. Okay, I think that'll do it. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't, I may have to take that top screw out that I was using for shims. Do you see what I mean? I could do that too. Okay, all right. Okay, I drilled a hole up, a pilot hole, to get this long screw up there at a slight angle to get into new wood. It looks really good now. It's still stuck out a little bit because of the screws that I'm using for shims. And I'm going to look at that, and I'm going to call that good. Let's see here. I think I'm going to call that good up there at the top. I can see that it's moved it. It's up higher. It's up higher to that. It's giving more room at the bottom. And you give it one little oomph, and it's locked. And it might just barely be hitting the wood that I was telling you. Just this little bit. Just that little bit right there. Okay. So I'm gonna kind of chisel that little bit out, just a little. It doesn't need to be very much, because the latch already has an angle on it. See, it might be just a little to what is needed, so that they don't have to shut the door as hard. But see, with it being flush like that, it's okay to push it hard and to click it in, because then you get a better seal on your weather stripping. Okay. Alright, so I think when I chisel that, I'm not going to chisel very much of it off, and I think it's going to be fine. Okay, then I can make a decision, a determination, how to leave these, whether or not I'm ready to put the rest of these screws back in, which screws I'm going to use, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, stick around. Almost done with this, and I hope you've learned something.